Khula Asman is actually not just an NGO. I feel it's a concept of creating arts and crafts for everybody and anybody. And the best part of this whole idea is it connects the hands, head, and heart together for creating very safe and non-judgmental spaces for each one of us.
Khula Asman has a very specific idea of expressive activity and the use of music, drama, visual art, play, using these forms very intentionally for mental health. And Khula Asman specifically works with children at risk, women at risk, children in conflict with the law. And the vision really is to keep the human rights aspect intact.
Through these activities, they can reflect themselves, who am I, what I am doing, where I want to go, what is my future. They can, at least they can connect with this activity.
The best thing about ABT is that the tools that we use, it's like dance, colors, music. The connection with it is so beautiful that we don't need more.
There is no competition as well as there is no age gap. So a person like 3-year-old kid and 60-year-old person can also join the circle and play. There is a safety, physical as well as emotional safety we take care of.
जब जाके उनके साथ में गेम्स लेते हैं या फिर डांस थेरेपी या फिर आर्ट बेस्ड थेरेपी लेते हैं तब ऐसे नज़र आता है कि जब वो शुरुआत में आते हैं तब बिल्कुल भी वो लोग बात नहीं करते हैं, बिल्कुल ओपन नहीं होते हैं, कुछ शेयरिंग करने के लिए कुछ स्पेस नहीं होता है उनके पास में। पर जब वो धीरे धीरे आने लगते हैं तब फिर हमारे साथ में वो एक्टिविटी जब स्टार्ट करते हैं तब फिर उनको भी ऐसे समझ में आता है कि नहीं यहाँ पर है, कुछ अलग सा हो रहा है यहाँ पर।
Khula Asman has got tremendous potential of breaking barriers of religion, of caste, class, language, gender and age. I feel it's one of the most beautiful tool, and we have been working with a lot of groups which are extremely traumatic like prison, observation homes, etc. But I feel these tools can be easily molded and can be made accessible for all the people.
The Constitution of India very clearly states that every human being needs to have basic human rights, whether they're in incarceration or they're free. And the reality is that in India, if you walk into a prison, you will see that these basic amenities are missing. So what we've noticed is that a lot of people keep coming back to prison because they have drug abuse problems. A lot of the children of these women just grow up without direction, without basic abilities, without the very basics of what's needed to survive.
Especially from observation home, those who are come under Juvenile Justice Act and below 18 years old, they are coming from a different part of social background. Those who are socially, economically and politically poor. So they are, some cases are like this. Those who are not committed any criminal activities, they also come under this observation home, this Juvenile Justice Act.
Khula Asman gets an hour or 2 hours per week to go in. And in this hour, we decide that let's at least build a safe, non-judgmental, safe space where a lot of these women can just come together, women and men now, where all these women can come together and release some of that tension that's just holding in.
Our long-term goal is, of course, to be able to make the government rehabilitation policies more humane, more rights-based, and we are working towards that goal. And we have seen that these tools really work like a magic, where there is no respect. The spaces created by Khula Asman create respect for people for what they are, and that's how they like to link with us, and they wait for our sessions, and I feel that's the success.
तो मेरे हिसाब से मतलब मेरे नज़र से देखने जाएंगे तो मेरे जैसे अलग बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं कि जो बीमारी में है, मानसिक बीमारी में है, उनको उस मानसिक बीमारी से निकालना हो तो उनको ये सब कुछ करना चाहिए। क्योंकि यही करेंगे तो ही वो लोग मतलब ये करके उनका दिमाग बहुत ठंडा रहेगा और इधर उधर भागेगा नहीं। जितना वो सोचते हैं जितना उनको मतलब तकलीफ़ होती है घर वालों से या और अलग अलग चीज़ों से, तो वो तकलीफ़ उनको नहीं मिलेगी।
मुझे यहाँ आने से ये है कि जो घर में जितना भी प्रॉब्लम रहता है मैं यहाँ पे आके भूल जाती हूँ। मुझे वो याद नहीं रहता क्योंकि खुला आसमान हकीकत में वो नाम सिर्फ खुला आसमान नहीं, वो है ही खुला आसमान। मैं भिवंडी चिल्ड्रंस होम में जाती हूँ बच्चों को, तो वहाँ पे मतलब अभी स्कूल के मतलब फर्नीचर का काम हम लोगों ने उन बच्चों को भी सिखाया। फर्नीचर के भी काम में मुझे एक ही दिन लगा था सिर्फ सीखने के लिए। टाइल्स का मतलब टेबल चेयर स्टूल ये सब बनाया, और अब हम लोग मतलब ऑपरेशन में भी जाते हैं, वहाँ पे सब लड़कों को सिखाती हैं। और खुद मेरे अंदर इतना खुद मतलब हो गया कि अब मैं हिम्मत से मतलब अपना हाथ काम करती हूँ।
I have seen Shabana when she joined. She used to come and she used to sit in corner, not talking to anybody. And when we created Peace, I saw the big transformation in her. The very first day when she attended Peace, she said, "I have never played like this, like the kid more in my life."
When I came here, the very first thing that I learned or Sulasma provided was working with my own feelings and emotions. And the space that I got for exploration, I think that's the best thing that I did.
तो मैंने ओल्ड एज होम में जाके उनके साथ में DMT लिया। तो वो जब मेरा लास्ट सेशन था तब उनमें इतने चेंजेस नज़र आ रहे थे कि वो खुद से ही डांस करने लग गए थे, मुझे स्टार्ट करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं थी।
We had a mural drawing session at the Kalyan prison. 4 or 5 male police officers just came in and put in their own couple of strokes. So when that happens, and that's happened almost every session, every intervention that we go in, I think that's a major success story, because there is communication between two sides of a wall that do not communicate. And I feel that is the power of expressive art therapy, because it does it in such a beautiful, non-intrusive way.
In each of us, there is an artist or a hidden artist which never ever gets the space to come out. So when we do the wall paintings with women, with children, we realize actually each person we work with has held the crayon or the pencil or the brush for the first time in their life. And when they finish and they see the lovely painting on the wall, their confidence level really goes up, and there is immediate sense of joy and gratification that I am worthy of something.